Chapter 2. Spiritual Meditation. In spiritual meditation, the purpose is mainly to establish a deeper connection with a higher power. Eastern religions, such as Hinduism, Taoism, and Buddhism, include various rituals and elements of prayer in their meditation to connect with the divine or gain self-actualization, i.e., to know oneself and to develop a compassion and kindness for others. Spiritual meditation can be practiced at home in your preferred place of worship. It can be done while sitting and praying to your specific deity. To do your meditation, sit down comfortably in front of your deity or idol. It is not necessary to have an idol in front of you. Whatever objects your prayer room has are enough to evoke the calmness and connection you need. Once you are sitting in a comfortable position, close your eyes and move your attention to any place in your body that is making you uncomfortable. If there is any such point, simply adjust your posture to become more comfortable. Now, focus your attention on your breathing. Let your breath flow in and out. Don't try to control it in any way. Just watch your breathing. If your mind wanders, just bring your attention back to your breath. Imagine prana or chi or the life force entering your body and notice how good it feels. You can just continue focusing on your breath throughout the session. Alternatively, once you are in a calm and quiet state of mind, just focus on the image of the spirit or god or goddess or angel or archangel in your mind. Continue to focus on the image for a few minutes and imagine the gods blessing you with or bestowing on you intuition or anything you would like within yourself. You could also start your meditation with a question in mind and ask this question to your God at this point. You may also want to focus on a phrase such as, "I live in my Creator and my Creator lives in me," to establish a connection with the divine powers. Once you feel you've had enough or you've received the answer to your question, just bring back your attention to your breathing. Take a few deep breaths and open your eyes. Jot down anything that came to mind during the meditation.